This one little camera can get shots that look like they were taken on a drone, a gimbal, and pretty much a filmmaking crew. In this bite-sized 5-minute video, I'm gonna show you my favorite shooting modes and things to do with this camera. Quick disclaimer, Insta360 have sent me over the X5 for testing and I have made reviews on it. However, the video is unsponsored and they do not have any take in what I say. If you are interested or sold on the camera, I do have an affiliate link down below. Definitely check it out if you are interested in buying, as it does help support the channel and help me make more videos like these. Anyways, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now, the first thing I want to demonstrate to you is the drone-like shots that you can capture with this camera. Super easy. So what you need is the camera itself and the invisible selfie stick extended edition you can get from the Insta360 store. Now, I'd also recommend turning on the twist to shoot setting, because since this camera is high up, we can't actually hit the record button. So we can start recording just by twisting like this. And you'll notice that it's recording because you'll see on the back, it is flashing a nice red to indicate that it's recording. Now, I'm actually going to extend this and just look at how long this invisible stick gets. Okay. Check that out. Now I'm gonna capture like a FPV style action shot of just me running around, and it'll look really goofy, but all I need to do is just run around holding the stick up, and then I'll head into the app later. I'll hit the AI frame button, and with no effort, it'll automatically reframe and make this sick looking shot, and it looks like this. So you can just sort of run around like a lunatic and still get really cool shots. Now, another one of my favorite X5 shot modes is me mode. Me mode is pretty damn amazing for vlogging. It allows you to capture yourself in frame by holding the invisible stick up, and it removes the pain of reframing later. Now, this is kind of hard to show off, but in me mode, I can tap this button here, choose from linear, D-warp, ultra, max, depending on my field of view. I'm just gonna go linear though to keep it the most cinematic looking and normal camera looking. And from there, we extend our stick like this, and I can just walk around and vlog. So this is a test of me mode. I have the Insta360 Mic Air down here. I have mounted to my chest, and it allows me to just vlog really simply. All I need to do is hold up the invisible stick, and you can't even see it because it removes it. And I can walk around, it stays perfectly stable on me. And I'll just show you how stable it is if I run. It is a very stable camera, which is amazing. And it's really nice, like just look at the sunset in the background. So if you're vlogging, this is definitely quite fantastic. Now, the only issue with me mode is while it's capturing an amazing 4K flat video that we can, without reframing, share anywhere, unfortunately, we cannot reframe it later. So let's say, oh my God, something's happening over there. I can't actually show you that unless I turn around or I move the camera around there, because it's just locked onto me the entire time. So let me show you another one of my favorite modes. Okay, so this is InstaFrame mode. So we're gonna tap 360 here, and we're gonna swipe over to InstaFrame. And the beauty of InstaFrame is you'll see we can capture a flat video, and we have some presets: rear view, front view, top view, bottom view, and custom view. And then we can change the FOV of our shot, and we can use D-warp and everything. And if I go selfie view, it's pretty much doing what me mode was doing. You'll see that it's on my face there. It's kind of hard to see because the UI is covering it. There we go. But selfie view is doing what me mode is doing, but at the same time, it's also capturing a backup 360 video. So not only do we have a flat video immediately available for sharing, but we also have a 360 video that we can reframe if we miss anything cool. So let me show you what this looks like. Now, the downside is it only goes up to 1080p rather than 4K, but it still looks amazing. And the 360 is not 8K, the 360 goes up to 5.7K plus, but honestly, it looks pretty damn similar. So this is InstaFrame mode, and yeah, it looks pretty similar to me mode. You will notice the quality is a little bit less, and it's not as locked on. But if you're in very amazing lighting conditions, it's great. And it's really just about the convenience, in my opinion. Now, another one of my favorite things about the X5 is pure video mode. So it's getting a little bit dark, and you may have noticed the InstaFrame footage that I showed you before was a little bit grainy in some places. Luckily, the X5 has pure video mode. We'll get to it by pressing the mode switcher button. There is pure video. Using pure video, I'm gonna grab the invisible extended selfie stick, and let's just take a look at what pure video looks like when we get like a nice looking drone shot like I showed you before. Now, lucky last, There's people looking at me. That jump was not a good idea. Now, even though it is a little bit too late for this, because the sun's already set quite a bit, I didn't expect to go on for this long, we can still capture a cool time lapse. So I've got the X5 set up here, and I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse. Honestly, not the best example. So we're gonna hit the mode switch button. We're gonna go to time lapse here. And for the settings, we're gonna go with an interval of just 10 seconds. I'm just gonna set up the time lapse here, and I'm gonna hit start recording. And let's just mess around and see how this messes out. And this is why I really like the time-lapse mode so much, because you sort of just play around and see what looks good. Oh, wait a minute. I just realized I don't really need to move the camera, because guess what? It's 360. So I can actually reframe the time-lapse once I've recorded it, and I can make it pan from here to there. Goodbye, Insta360 X5. Hope no one steals you.